Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. Today we are going to learn how to add the color picker in the WordPress theme options. So there is a customize section in the WordPress where we can add the color picker in the WordPress. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my videos. So let's get started. So let's copy all of this and let's try to add this one code. This is gonna be like in the theme options. So I have added. So here you can see that in the appearance there is no customize options, right? So when I try to add this code, it will automatically go over here, right? So let me update the theme over here. What is my theme name? It's 2024. Okay, let me update the theme. So here your theme added should be there. Okay, so here we go with just reloading, and here you can see customize section is coming over here. Just click on this, and here you can see that the theme colors, because here I am adding the theme colors, right? Section is theme colors. So theme colors, you can see that you can just drag and drop this one. Okay, and save publish this one. Okay, if I go again, you can see that the color is set. Okay, so here this color you can show it so anywhere else in the front end, because these are the theme colors, right? You can update the any kind of section over here, right? So how I have added this, let's dive into the code level. So here you can see enq jQuery color picker scripts. So this is WordPress core files. Okay, then enq color picker, then we have a theme customize registration. Add the color picker to the theme option in the customizer. Okay, add a section. First we will add a section with name is theme colors and the priority to be 30. Okay, so here is also we will update the theme. Okay, then add a color picker setting and the control default color and sanitize callback. This is hex color. Okay, then wp customize add control, that is primary color label theme and the this one. Here you can see when we have a primary color and the select the color. Okay, after this customize register action, this one, this customize registration, then output the selected color value in the front end. Okay, so how you can get this output like this: get the saved color value, get theme mode primary color this. Okay, output the color value in the header like this, site background or something, so you can output like this color. Okay, and add action wp. So wherever you want to add, just you need to make sure like this you can access the variable, okay, with that color, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.